is Times Square at 10 o'clock in the morning. So that is called the Edge. What is the world's largest store? Do you guys know? Macy's. It's a single store and it's the world's largest store. And this is that building. It's all of it till the end. This is all Macy's and it goes up. And that's all it takes to entertain two kids. I think it's the first time for the kids to come to Times Square. So I'm kind of excited to see their reaction. Now mommy is training and educating the kids on how to walk around, behave, and be on the lookout in a big city like New York City, especially in a place like Times Square. Now Khiz is wearing my Volkswagen sunglass because I used to own a Volkswagen Beetle, and now his face is big enough that he can wear my sunglasses. Around 10 o'clock, already getting quite crowded, but that's Times Square. So mommy's teaching them how to take a great picture together, and she's turned it into a game of who can style it, and then I'm gonna give them points. This is your first time in Times Square, I think. Do you like it? Eesa, do you like it?
1 year later, yes.
Now there's a lesson on how to smile naturally on camera. It's kind of cool. You're gonna do a surprise smile. Go!
2 years later.
That's a natural smile. That's the TKTS tickets line. There's a Pride concert. All right, next stop is the train station. And now we're gonna go in the subway. right, Khiz and Eesa, you had your ice cream. Now Mom and Bob are gonna go to a Szechuan restaurant. What country was... Yeah, what country is Szechuan? No, close. China. We're leaving Times Square on to some Szechuan food. Okay, so outside of that ambulance that was stuck, anytime you can get away from the busy hustle and bustle and then walk through a nice, relaxing side street or cross street, that's awesome. Walking by Bryant Park. Since we live in New York, in Long Island, we'll probably come back and do a proper video of each of the neighborhoods in the city. But for now, just a quick Times Square trip. We actually got into the wrong Szechuan restaurant. That was Best Szechuan. This is the one we wanted. My friend had brought me here 6-7 years ago. It's called Szechuan Gourmet. So now we're waiting to be seated. All right, appetizers.
Crispy veggie spring roll.
How much?
If this falls off,
Oh, that's very good. Okay, we'll get the veggie spring roll. Your choice of fried rice is $13.95. All right, so very spicy Szechuan fried rice. Szechuan noodles. Eesa's playing with a napkin. And that's Khiz. Khiz is playing with a card and a napkin doing some magic tricks. Yeah. It does look good.
It looks very good, both of them.
So far at Gourmet Szechuan, the noodles are awesome. We actually, just in case it wasn't so spicy, we ordered some white rice, but no need. We haven't tried the rice yet. And Eesa, what do you have? Eesa has roll. Oh, thank you. So we're gonna give Szechuan Gourmet 2 thumbs up. Now that we're done with dinner, let's go back to Long Island. Long Island Railroad. So this is the old Penn Station entrance. We're gonna go through Moynihan Station. I really like the Moynihan Station. When I was coming here, they were installing these giant lamps for the South Lobby. Okay, so we are track 18. All right, we made it, track 18, Ronkonkoma line.